Those people, nobody tells the story. Nobody says how brilliant they are. Nobody wants to know what their birthdays are. Nobody wants to know if their mother is crying for them. Every time somebody's died in the Mediterranean trying to reach safety of Europe, be they migrants or refugee, I've made a boat to represent each person that has been recorded as either having drowned or has gone missing. I make a lot of work which helps people to think about how they can make small changes to make the world a better place. I say to people, I'm doing one thing, what can you do? You go off and try and do something else.